What do you, man, what more should I tell you guys? I mean, what else or what more should I try and make you guys understand? What's good, YouTube? What's good, people? What's going on? How is everybody doing? I guess you guys had a wonderful trading week, and I guess you guys are doing the most throughout this week. This was the last week of February. I guess you guys had a wonderful week, month, and I guess you did the most. I don't care whether you took losses this month. All I care about is that you stayed disciplined and you followed your plans and you were very patient in every setup that you executed, whether it was an L or profit, right? Well, this is your boy Harlan, and I'm back with another video. Today's video gonna be a trade breakdown. Like, just look at that. I shared a video, I think, on the previous week talking about NAS, how you guys should trade the NAS. Yeah, how you guys should trade the NAS. We're back at it. Like, what I say, it's what I do. Don't follow a trader that doesn't do what he tells you guys. If he says there's a certain zone that he buys above or sells below, and the market trades on the very same zone, whether it's bullish or bearish depending, if he doesn't do what he tells you guys on YouTube, then he had Capster with a capital C and a capital A, not to forget a capital P. He a fucking Capster. But today I want to break down this video and make you guys understand that what I shared on the previous video, it's what I will share today, so you guys can get the picture. Well, February was great, I won't lie. You guys can clearly see trade breakdowns, taking L's, taking profits. We're just moving, we're not stopping, and I appreciate you guys for liking and subscribing to the videos. New subscribers and my new fans, well, you guys are part of the COT Academy. Don't forget that we are having a one-on-one and virtual mentorship sessions or programs or courses, depending on what you guys just call them. So the prices are there, you can check them out, but my point or my plan is to make sure that I help traders who are finding it hard to find what's simple, because new trading styles are just there to come and go. No, I'm not pushing on this new trading styles, but I'm just trying to explain that old trading styles have been the flex before, and they still are the flex. But the thing is, social media is no more showing how people take trades like before, but they're showing how much they have made in every trade. But it is what it is, right? So I want to share with you guys how I took this video. And before we get any further, like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video, comment on the video, click the links to subscribe with the brokers that I use. Well, I took this one on Quick Trade, right? So click the link right there and sign up with the broker that I recommend and use. So day in a live vlog coming soon, right? So let's hit the charts and let me break down this trade. So what you see right here, it's what I explained yesterday with my community. You can just check it out. I would live, I don't know, somewhere right here. So I sent this and I was like, guys, I don't want to say much today. Well, yesterday, Thursday, today we're looking for two things, right? We're looking to take sales if price breaks below, and we're looking to continue bullish if it fails to break. So when you now look from the back on like the previous on the left, you can clearly see that, okay, price once hit this lower low and this lower high formation, right, and continued with the lower low direction until we created what that lowest point, and price started pulling to the upside, pushing to the upside, I mean. So when you see this push, and when I now try to zoom in, okay, I press something wrong right here, and when I try to press, when I try to show you guys this right here, never mind this, pressed something wrong. And when I try to show you guys this, from obviously price creating this lower low right here, you guys can see it, and price creating the lowest point and pushing to the upside. So from this push to the upside, let me do this so you guys can get the picture of what King Harlem be capping about. So this is I don't want to say it's simple, but when you understand market structure and zones and candlesticks and trading sessions, then I don't think there's nothing more that you need to do as a trader. But let me break down so you can get the picture, right? So obviously we have this previous zone, we have this previous lower low, lower high formation, right, that led price into creating that lowest point. So from price pushing to the upside, when you zoom in the charts, you can clearly see that this was our existence zone. From this break above, price started holding this zone, right? Price started holding this zone right here. So from holding this zone, you can clearly see we had multiple rejections that led price into giving us an all-time high. So we created an all-time high from price creating those multiple rejections and giving us a continuation. This was our all-time high, and price again created the all-time high, but here's the rejection of that all-time high, right? So from price now, us as traders, right, retail traders, that's what they call us, day traders, just depending on what you say it is. I'm just an investor and a black YouTuber, right? So so from here, this highest point, price created that lowest point intraday, not focusing on the overall picture, and then price created this lower high, not higher than what that high, and price did what pushed to the downside, creating this high right here, not higher than two previous highs, and pushed to the downside, giving us a low, and pushing again to the upside, giving us the possible double top, right, and pushing to the downside further to give us what, that lowest point. So when you see price coming back to this lowest point and price having that multiple reactions from the previous zone, from the previous price action, you can clearly see that okay, price gave us a what? Price gave us a bear candlestick and did what? And pushed to the upside, right? So from this bear candlestick and this push to the upside, obviously during this time, that's when I start trading, you guys know it, right? So price did what? On 10, our London session, our London candlestick on 10 a.m, price did what? Gave us a rejection right there. So from breaking below, price did what? Rejected and closed above, right? So we broke that zone, right? Meaning we created that kind of support, right? So from price creating that kind of support and pushing to the upside, you can clearly see that coming candlestick on 11 a.m. closed bullish. So from a breakout and a break back in and a close above, leaving a big rejection and previous zones and previous price action, showing us price once reacted and gave us a reaction of what? Being bullish, right? Coming back again and giving us that intraday reaction and push to the upside, coming back again with our London session candlestick violating that zone but closing above, and the 11 a.m. candlestick closed bullish, right? So from the bullish candlestick, obviously you guys know how I take trades. From every bullish candlestick or bear candlestick, but this I want to top of the bulls, from every what? Bear rejection candlestick and bullish candlestick, now I get the picture that okay, our London session rejected that zone, and the coming candlestick is giving us an indication from the rejection and that bullish candlestick close. We are obviously respecting the zone based on what? Previous price action. So in that case, so in that instance, there's nothing else that you need to look for but to just go for your buys and put your stop and put your targets and just let the market play out. Then okay, I'm so excited because it's not about me taking profits, but it's about making sure that I show you guys how it is you can do and how you can do it. Because if I can do it, you guys can also do it. And it's not that I trade every day. This trade I took on Thursday, Monday I didn't trade, Tuesday I didn't trade, Wednesday I didn't trade. I don't trade Wednesday actually. Stepping on Friday, stepping on Thursday, thanking God for who He is and who He always does to our lives. Showing up on Thursday, last day of the month, we just catch a bag, right? So without further ado, guys, I guess that you like on the video, you subscribe to the channel, you share the video, you comment on the video, you click the links on my descriptions to sign up with the brokers that I use, and don't forget that day in the live vlog coming soon. This one will be the very exciting day in the live vlog, so I don't want to say much, but tune in into it, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, do what you want to do. If you want to take part in my trading course, I'm gonna leave my number and I'm gonna leave my Instagram links. You're gonna choose what you want to do, but I want to see you guys win like I am, right? Without further ado, this is your boy Halim. That's all I got in this video.